Welcome. Today I will show you how to enter BIOS on your LENOVO Ideapad C340 laptop. So things first, your laptop should be switched off. After you switch it off, if you have a paper clip, you can insert it into this tiny hole next to the power button and hold it down for a while, and your laptop will boot up with the boot options section, from which you will be able to select the BIOS startup. But the other option you can use to enter BIOS is just power it on and then start pressing the F2 button, which is located right here. So let's do it this way. So just power it on, pressing the power button, and then start pressing the F2 button for a while. And once you see this screen, you are in the BIOS. Here you can navigate using arrow keys and select with enter. If you want to exit this menu, you just have to go to the exit section and select exit saving section changes or exit discarding changes. So let's save changes since we haven't provided any, and select yes. And right now our laptop should start up normally. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.